Hi, hello, namaste, chess lovers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Chess with Devi. We are back with new game analysis. As you can notice the title, the king is locked, then queen has to be the key. Let us get into the game and see how this works in practical way. Here in this game, opponent is white and I am playing with black pieces. To understand the title, we can see first we have to analyze here. The queen f2 is a blunder because now if there isn't the white queen, then the king can move at f2. There is an axis. But as the queen is there, the king cannot move. And whereas black queen is restricting the white king along the diagonal and along vertically. And white queen is restricting its own king movement. It cannot move. So here this white king is completely immobilized. So that is a weak point in white and we're gonna take advantage of that. We'll see that it's soon enough. Secondly, here g3 is a target pawn because here as you can see the g3 pawn, it has got three attackers. The queen, black queen, two rooks pointing at g3 pawn. Whereas defenders, white queen, white rook and knight are defending this pawn. So this is the target square. So to remove one of the defenders is our duty now. How to remove this one of the defenders? That is by attacking one of the defenders, that is knight. We can attack this with the pawn, as you can see. Now white has two options. Here white can defend by going somewhere. At the same time white can attack this pawn. Anyway, one defender is removed, knight or the rook. It can we can get we can remove the one of the defense by attacking the one of the defender, right? So now it is our play. Now white has got only two defenders. That one is rook, one is queen, and one is knight. No longer this rook is defending its pawn. No, but here there are three attackers, one queen and two rooks. Now it's a brilliant move because rook is of 4 points and this point is 1 point. And eventually we understand how this sacrifice is worth. The sacrifice is to give is to take. So now here the white king is in check. Now to defend this, the as we can know the king cannot move. It cannot move, right? So it has to defend with the knight first. Now again we attack the knight with the rook. Again check. Now again the king cannot move. It is completely restricted anyway. So the only choice left for white is to attack with the queen. I hope you understand now. So now the queen take the queen with check, and again if it moves here it is the same thing. We can attack with the queen, again double attack on the king and also the rook at the same time. So as the king moves, now we can check here h3, attacking the rook and the king at the same time. We can also notice this rook is hanging. That is a another weak point. So now we can take this rook. Now it's white play. It comes into the play with check. King moves. Now here is another interesting point. Now the black king is restricted in this along the g file. Now it has got two options. Either it has to go to h file or f file. What if it goes into the f file? beyond the queen. Now the white can fork both queen and king, pinning the queen, pinning the black queen. It cannot move here. The only option left for black is to take rook, and white takes. So to avoid this, the black king has to only toggle between h and g file. So we do that. Again check, continuous check. The black king is climbing the stairs to reach the rook, attacking the rook finally. Now the white cannot keep checks anymore, so it has to move away, attacking our queen. Now our queen has to keep the check now, and we can continuously attack the king. As you can see the material gain, we are up by a queen and a knight, whereas the white king has only a piece up, that is rook. So it is clearly black is winning here, and there's a checkmate coming here, right? I hope you understand, guys. Thank you.